This little key is about to change how you sew continuously forever with no special attachment needed. First thing you are going to do is to unscrew this place right here. After unscrewing it, you place the key at that particular spot and then you screw it back, just like you can see me doing in this video. Once you are done screwing, you then pick up the fabrics that you want to sew and then place it under the key carefully. After arranging it, you can then proceed to sew. The key is there to help you sew continuously and to hold the fabrics in place. So this is me using the key as the guide. After sewing, you can then see how clean the stitches look. So this is the stitch, looks straight and neat compared to the previous one that I've sewn without using a key as a guide.